celebrating 75 years of the Porsche brand. That's definitely a year of dreams. For me, being responsible for the design of Porsche is a real dream job. And whenever you get as a designer the opportunity to design concept car, I would say that's like the ice on the cake, because you have less limitations. And especially if you talk about a concept car like the Mission X, which is a super sports car, it's in a row of very exciting super sports cars. We had the Carrera GT and the 918 Spider, and now the Mission X. So the Mission X is as well a little bit pinpointing how the future, you could say, of Porsche could look like. We have basically further dreamed our design DNA, which is based on design principles, and that's what we are showcasing here as well on this car. For example, in the front, our very significant light signature with these 4 elements. Here on this car we are showcasing, let's say, a kind of new layout, which is in a way maybe a little bit surprising, but it is inspired by the old Porsche racing cars, which had this vertical alignment in the front. The same goes with the tail lamps, where we as well are basically presenting a possible further development of our light band that you know from all our production cars. And as well on the interior, we have the interior based on our principles, where always the driver is in the focus. So according to our motto, that we believe the last car that will have a steering wheel is most likely a Porsche. So all the necessary buttons and things that the driver needs are very nicely arranged around the driver, and you will have intensive and highly emotional haptical experiences. So I hope you will like the car and just keep on dreaming. Thank you very much.